So you found your felt hat in the footwell of your car, all banged up and dirty. But don't sweat it. Wool is a durable material that remembers its shape. Let me guide you through restoring and reshaping your felt hat. You will need your hat, a soft bristle brush, a hat sponge, and some steam from a kettle or an iron. First, gently pop out all the dents. Use your hands to massage the hat back into its original shape. Next, grab a soft bristle brush and work off the dust and loose dirt. We recommend brushing your hat regularly to keep it looking its best. After that, spot clean the dirt and grime using your hat sponge. This is great to sponge away any stubborn dirt from the hard to get corners. Now let's apply steam. Use steam across the entire hat to help reset the wool. While it's warm, massage out any remaining creases. If you're like me and prefer a rugged, banged up look, leave your hat as is. Otherwise, let's reset the brim. To reset a flat brim, lay your hat on an even surface, weigh it down with your favourite coffee table books, and leave it overnight. In the morning, remove the books. And there you have it, a fully restored felt hat ready for your next adventure.